what we basically want to get done is to have the language of our foreparents want to be taught in schools to children, in the schools in our community. Because we got to bear something in mind that the language that was spoken by a lot of our foreparents was the Akan language, which was known as the Tree. Yeah. There were persons from like what is present in Nigeria, like the Igbo, that were involved as well. But the language that they spoke and what everybody would have combined to be, that was known to us as Chromanti language, is actually a mixture of different African languages and English influence, as we call it, plantation influence. But there were times when they speak straight Twi, and they refer to that as country. Yes. The country here meaning the motherland. For example, in Twi, right? If I say Akwaba, I mean welcome. Mm-hmm. When I say something like Medasi, it actually means thank you. And there are terms that we still use today, right? For example, I use the term afana. Afana is basically a machete or a sword. And when we say Nisa, we mean, and Nisa is spelled N-S-A, Nisa. It actually means a strong drink like rum. Mm-hmm. And if I say Niso, it actually means water. Mm-hmm. So when I say asikert, I mean sugar, sweet, drink something that is sweet. We use term like abeng, which we still use today, actively. We refer to the abeng as kete or akete. Mm-hmm. We refer to things like a snake is basically ananka or ananka. Mm-hmm. Okay. When we talk about the earth, we talk about asi. And when we talk about the creator, we said Onyang Kipong Asasi, the creator of the heavens and the earth. We refer to him as Tatayami. Mm-hmm. So we still maintain a lot of things that, terms that we use over the years that has basically remained with us. Like we say Junga. Junga is really a spear. It is basically used for hunting these days. So you hunt in the wildland, but we don't call it spear. We still use the word Junga. Yes.
Oh, even now in your Maroon.
Even now.
Okay.
And if we talk about things like, for example, refer to a crow as opete. That is a giant crow. Mm-hmm. Or if it is another kind of ark or something like that, and we refer to them as okrema. Oh. And the same word okrema also means you refer to the persons who play the drum as okrema. Mm-hmm. And the persons who do the dancing, those persons are the ominto.